Hey guys, we're going to do something about these wiper arms and this plastic. It's all rusty. Let's go. You know when it was repairing our file?
Why?
No, when it was and it came back. I don't know if it came back recording.
Gone forever.
Extra clips. What are you taking off?
Probably.
Put this hose. Okay. Well, there's a hose.
Yeah, it's for the washer fluid.
But it's attached.
Yeah, it's about to not be attached.
Ooh, that's a long ass hose. Uh-oh. Timer's going off for paint.
Oh, right.
You mess up my music. Go away.
I'm gonna peel this crusty off.
Ew, why?
That's okay.
Are you gonna put it back on?
Yeah.
Alright. Are you painting that?
I'm gonna try to heat it up first. If I can find my torch. Blow torch.
Blowtorch. Ooh, it's got me.
Unlock.
Ooh. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't think it lasts very long though.
Away like quick?
It's just sun fade, so it's just gonna sun fade again.
the fuck out of the way, dumbass. Whoa.
What happened?
That was loud.
Oh.
That was me. Okay.
Might as well clean it while we got it off.
You white paint, so you could. What do you do to get rid of that?
I do have white paint. What do you
You
have?
have to sand it.
You need
and
to sand it or sandblast it.
cut it out.
I don't. It's not that bad. You gotta cut it out. You just need to sand it all off. So you gotta remove the rust.
Because it's like cancer.
Yeah.
It
Spreads, yeah. But if you get rid of it,
Spread. Oxidation.
grows.
This video is going to be fun.
Why?
Because I've had 3 drinks already.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's gonna be our opening thing. I'm gonna say this video is gonna be fun.
Why?
Drinks.
Because I've had 3 drinks already. This is a fun Friday night.
The whole underside of this thing is nasty, dirty, dude. It's super filthy. Can't wait to take this bumper cover off. Look at that.
What is that like
Corrosion.
glue?
It's rust running from there down the body. Eventually it'll rust everything underneath
Like
it if you don't
this.
take care of it. Yeah.
So that would ruin the body?
Yeah, it'll end up rusting right
This
there.
whole thing is bad.
Yeah, needs to come up and get sandblasted, this one too.
Damn. You good?
Yeah,
You want me to film you putting it back on?
that's good enough. I'd say it looks pretty good. Came out pretty good. Sandblasted all the springs and everything. That plastic is, it's been a couple of weeks and it's been at work. You know, I've driven it to work a few times and it looks great. So, thanks for watching our video, guys.